Today, we'll be talking about the benefits of learning new skills and continuing education. Learning is a continuous process that should never stop, no matter what stage of life you are in. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a retiree, there are many reasons why learning new skills is important. In this video, we'll explore some of the benefits of learning new skills and why continuing education is essential for personal and professional growth. Let's discuss the personal benefits of learning new skills. Learning new skills can boost your self-confidence and give you a sense of accomplishment. It can also help you to expand your knowledge and broaden your horizons. When you learn new skills, you become more adaptable and can tackle new challenges with ease. You'll also be able to engage in new hobbies or activities that you may have never considered before. Now, let's talk about the professional benefits of learning new skills. In today's rapidly changing job market, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. By learning new skills, you can increase your marketability and stay ahead of the competition. It can also lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries. Many companies value employees who are dedicated to learning and are willing to invest in their education and training. Another important aspect of continuing education is that it keeps your mind sharp and improves cognitive function. Studies have shown that learning new skills can help prevent cognitive decline and may even reduce the risk of developing dementia. By challenging your brain with new information, you're essentially giving it a workout, which can lead to better memory retention and improved problem-solving skills. But we understand that learning new skills can be daunting, especially if you've been out of school for a while. That's why we have some tips to help you get started. Identify what you're interested in learning. It's much easier to stay motivated when you're learning about something that you're genuinely interested in. Take some time to reflect on your hobbies, passions, or career goals and find courses or resources that align with those interests. Consider your learning style. Some people prefer to learn in a classroom setting, while others prefer to learn independently. Determine what works best for you and find resources that cater to your learning style. Set realistic goals. Learning new skills can take time, so it's important to set realistic goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Make learning a habit. Learning new skills should be an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Set aside time each week to dedicate to learning and make it a part of your routine. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Learning new skills can be challenging, and it's okay to ask for help or guidance along the way. Reach out to mentors, peers, or experts in the field for advice or support. Lastly, let's discuss how learning new skills can improve your overall quality of life. When you learn new skills, you become more self-sufficient and can take on tasks that you may have relied on others to do in the past. This newfound independence can lead to increased confidence and a greater sense of autonomy. Additionally, learning new skills can lead to new connections and friendships. Joining a class or group that shares your interests can help you build a sense of community and enhance your social life. Learning new skills and continuing education is an investment in yourself that can lead to personal and professional growth, improved cognitive function, and a better quality of life. By following these tips and taking the first step towards learning something new, you're opening up new opportunities for yourself and expanding your knowledge and horizons. There are many benefits to learning new skills and continuing education, whether it's personal or professional growth, cognitive function, or overall quality of life. Learning new skills is an investment in yourself that will pay dividends for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring new skills today and see how it can enrich your life.